So I've gotten to test several games with the Asus ROG STRIX g16 4060 with the i7 13650, and I was blown away by the results. Keep in mind, this was with a 1920 by 1200p 165Hz panel, so that's the resolution I had all these games at, but my testing with Cyberpunk was extremely impressive. I was able to play at ultra settings with ray tracing at ultra, and I was getting a consistent 50 to 60 FPS across my testing. As you guys know, Cyberpunk is an intensive game for most computers, even the most highest spec ones. With Cyberpunk though, you do have a DLSS 3.0. That's the new tech that is meant for the 40 series cards, and this, when I turned it on, pushed the FPS way above 60, well into the 70s and 80s. I was seriously impressed with this i7 and 4060 laptop. I did have the computer on high power mode and everything was turned up all the way, so keep that in mind, including the fans. Jumping into some Red Dead Redemption, I once again was over 60 FPS on the highest settings, even in some pretty tough firefights, and I wanted to also do a little bit of competitive gaming, so I jumped into Apex Legends, and this was even more incredible, with me being consistently over 140 and 150 FPS across all my gamings, with all the settings again boosted up to ultra. Keep in mind, we are at 1200p gaming, so this wasn't 1440p, but with the native screen and the 165Hz panel, this completely blew the games out of the water, and I feel safe in saying this laptop can pretty much handle any next-gen gaming for years to come, especially since this 4060 comes equipped with the DLSS 3.0 and is just tearing apart through games that are typically resource hogs.